we have over 90 GPU accelerated, real-time, gorgeous effects, animations, and transitions in Premiere Pro. These elevate your edit, they make your story stand out, from redefined transition essentials to glows and blurs and echoes and glints and light leaks that will elevate your cinematography and your color grading. They are highly customizable in the effects control panel. But the coolest thing about them is the little surprise me button that you'll find attached to every single transition and effect. So you'll never see the same effect or transition twice if you don't want to. In addition to just adding these on your video, you can add them to text and graphics. So when it comes to making cinematic titles, animated lower third graphics, that work now becomes like a 30-second hoop, a little detour, and you're off to the races. These transitions and effects really push the boundaries of what's possible in Premiere Pro when it comes to animation and motion design. All 94 of these transitions and effects are included in everyone's Premiere or Creative Cloud plan, so now everyone has access to them.